case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1992, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit heard a case involving a false advertising dispute between Abbott Laboratories and Mead Johnson Company. The case centered around Abbott's allegations that Mead engaged in false advertising and trade dress infringement practices in the oral electrolyte maintenance solution, OES market, which provides life-saving medical products for infants suffering from dehydration. Abbott accused Mead Johnson of promoting its Ricelyte product with false and misleading information and copying Pedialyte's trade dress. While the district court initially denied Abbott's request for a preliminary injunction, the appeals court found that the district court had made errors in its assessment of the case. The appeals court vacated the order and remanded the case for a full trial on the merits. The court emphasized the importance of judges considering alternative solutions and having flexibility when crafting preliminary relief. In their decision, the court noted that Abbott had a strong likelihood of proving at trial that Ricelyte contained false information about its ingredients.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.